Hello guys, nakahuli tayo ng labuyo guys. Yung sabay natin. Yan guys oh. Ihabog lang natin. Huli siya guys. Yan. Okay guys. Guys, nakahuli. Yan guys. Batang bata pa yan.